Gemini, the song that's playing for you is Picasso. Alright, so you may be in a position in your life where you are trying to paint a picture. It's like you are manifesting the life you wish to participate in your future, or it's just like you know the truth regarding something, whether that's how you feel about a passion, how you feel about a person, place, thing, idea, job, habit, hobby, mindset, routine. You feel me? You know the truth about something, and now you are being the fool as far as going towards or doing what it is you need to do in order to make this passion work. The lovers, you fell in love with an idea, person, place, or thing, and you walked away from a poor emotional investment. Whether that was you walked away from a bad, negative habit, it's like something you were invested in for a while, a way of being, a mentality, and or a habit. You're being defensive towards something now. You don't want to participate in something anymore because you're being Picasso for yourself. You painting your own picture. It's like you done letting somebody else paint your life for you. Whether that's a mentality, it's like you done letting a bad mindset paint the picture for your life, or you're done letting a negative person paint the picture for your life, a negative job, whatever it is. Look, and you may not be taking you know the truth regarding how you feel about a passion. You ready to open up passionately. As far as your emotions are concerned, you ain't fucking with those right now, though. This is your reading sound the same already. Because previously, when you was taking emotions, it's like when you did accept emotions, you ran into some friction. You ran into some lies that ended up fucking up your balance. And it was like something you were passionately invested in that you shouldn't have been passionately invested in. But on the split, now that you know the truth regarding whatever it is, you can open up passionately, and you ain't fucking with nobody emotionally right now. If somebody try to bring you some feelings, you gonna look at that cup like, nah. Whether you not thinking about, look, because you just walked away from something you were emotionally invested in order to bring balance to your mentality, in order to bring balance to your third dimensional state and your fourth dimensional state. So you could think clearly and live a balanced life. You had to walk away from an emotional investment. And because you walked away from an emotional investment, actually, you're not really fucking with emotions right now. It's like you're not ready to go back in the game. You just got out. Type shit, but you ready to open up regarding things you feel passionate about. Song that's playing is Speed It Up. And it's like, because you are in this sense of focus, because you are in ultra instinct regarding whatever it is you're passionate about, that you're opening up towards, you will progress quickly. It's not that you don't have emotion. Look, and you fixed on that. It's like you seen the truth regarding something and you can't unsee it. And you ain't gonna, because you know how it is, gonna make you, it's gonna, as far as your emotions are concerned regarding something, it's gonna fuck you up. So you ain't even gonna fuck with it. You put an end to a celebration in some way, shape, or form. Whether this was with a group of people, you stop fucking with a certain type of crowd because that crowd always puts you in a negative state. It's like that crowd played on your emotions, and since it played on your emotions, it fucked up your balance. But now that you see the truth, now that you gain enlightenment, you gain some light. You can't turn this light off. You feel me? So now you ain't moving emotionally towards anything. And or nobody is coming emotionally towards you because they see how you are sitting regarding the enlightenment you gained. You balance now. You know what is and what ain't. And now it's like you got your hands on your hips, like let a motherfucker try to come play me type shit. You feel me? Because I can see what I need to see regarding some shit. And you're defending what you are passionate about now. Look, you may be ready to communicate. It's like you're ready to communicate. This is like I said, if whatever you are passionate about, you're gonna progress quickly in that motherfucker. Let me tell you this. Whatever seed you're trying to plant, it's gonna progress faster than you anticipate, okay? So make sure you keep both feet on the ground, God damn it. But It's like aspects of you are done. As for like, let's say this one of them is your relationships. You're not really fucking with relationships right now. Boom. But you're not done with life yet. Just because just because a relationship, just because you're not fucking with relationships, emotions, or feelings right now, doesn't mean I'm tapped out. You feel me? I'm still in it type shit. All of this is regarding your balance. Look, you're done accepting immature emotions from people, places, things, or yourself. You're done accepting immature ideas, petty ways of acting, bad habits. It's like you're done being childish. Or you're done letting people come. It's like you're done accepting childish shit from people. Or you're done accepting childish shit from yourself. Because you know what the fuck it is you want. It's like you know your worth. You know the value you bring. And you know who you are and where you stand regarding the things you are passionate about. And whatever it is you are directing that your fire to, you will progress quickly. As it's either you want to communicate, somebody wants to communicate to you quickly, or you are going to progress quickly with this communication. You feel me? It's like when you communicate, you will progress quickly. So if this is like a business, then look, I'm telling you, you got a good idea, communicate it, and act on that idea, you feel me? Participate in that, express that, say that, whatever it is, hard way, you feel me? It's like you got through the hard part. Now take a risk, roll the dice regarding a passion, because that will be a good idea that will bring you to the world. This shit just fell out regarding your balance. Look, the sun is stability, bruh. It's like you gotta take a risk. Communicate something. And you're gonna get the world you want. You're gonna be happy. And you're gonna be stable. You're gonna be solid. Open your mouth. If you gotta talk, talk. Or just go for that business. It's like you don't want to change your mind regarding something. Don't change your mind. But express that. Communicate that. Make sure that's known. Because you got a good idea. Or once you do that, you'll get a good idea. But you ain't working on something no more. Good on you. I'ma fuck with you.